boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have the Chainsmokers here, collaboration with ILLENIUM and CARLIE HANSON. Great collab there. See You Again, that's the name of this song, and it's a 3-chord song here that goes in the same way through the entire song. That's great. Let's start this one up. And no need for any cape on this one, so we're going clean, and let's take a look at the chords. We have first the C sharp minor. All right, so that's a bar chord. You place a bar on the 4th fret. You bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom up like this. That's a good start, and then the rest you need to add is 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. The next chord is the A sus chord. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Okay, so I'm gonna first give you how to just strum this song, okay? Just without any notes emphasized here, and then I'm gonna add in the notes for you, okay? So let's take a look at the C sharp minor first. You're gonna play like down, up, down, down. Okay, so that's how you do it. So down, up, down, down. Then you quickly go over to the A sus and play down, 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 up. So that's a little challenging here. That's down, up, down, down, and then down, 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 up. So. Again. And then you're just gonna end with the E here, and you're gonna play 8 downs. That's one round of it. So together it will be So that's how you play just with the clean strumming here. If you want to add notes to it, then you're going to apply the same strumming pattern here. And now let's take a look at the notes. So if you're going to play the notes here, now you have to compromise and let this little pinky go from the 6th fret G string. Have that ready for playing down on the E string instead. So keep the other fingers like this and release the little pinky here. So the notes you want to emphasize now will be played on the E string here. So 4th fret E string, then comes the pinky in here with the 7th fret E string, then back 2 times on the 4th fret E string. So use the same strumming here, so down, up, down, down. So then you go to the A sus chord here, and now you're gonna use the same strumming here again, the down, 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 up. But now you want to emphasize the open E string and the first down, so you go down with the strumming, and then the next down you go up on the bass. Then the next strumming I want to emphasize again the open E string, so you go down. And then you have the down up on the bass strings. So the A sus is. So the emphasized notes here is the open E string with a bass kick in between. So. And then you go to the E here and play that one. It was 8 downs in total. You will start to emphasize the open E string, then a bass kick on the next down, and you repeat that for 4 rounds. That will be 8 downs in total, and 4 times you emphasize the open E string. So open E, bass, open E, bass, open E, bass, open E, bass. And that's how you play and strum the song here with notes included. So slowly it will be something like this. And in standard tempo, something like this. That pretty much summarizes the Chainsmokers, ILLENIUM, and CARLIE Hanson's See You Again. And I hope to do that also, to see you again, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know, thumb up, leave a comment, subscribe, of course, why not, and play tuned.